Today, I'm going to teach you how to enable and use Google Chat in Gmail. This feature allows you to message colleagues, friends, and contacts directly within Gmail, eliminating the need to switch between apps and keeping all your communication in one convenient place. To get started, open your browser and type mail.google.com to access Gmail. Sign in to your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the settings icon, represented by a gear symbol. Click on this icon to access Gmail's configuration options. A drop-down menu will appear with several quick settings. From these options, click on See All Settings to open the full settings menu. This comprehensive view gives you access to all of Gmail's customization features and is where you'll enable Google Chat. In the Settings menu, you'll notice several tabs along the top. Click on the Chat and Meet tab. This section controls all your messaging and video conferencing features within Gmail. Here's where the important change happens. Next to Chat, you'll see different options available. Select Google Chat to enable the Chat feature. This activates the integrated messaging system that will appear directly in your Gmail interface. Once you've selected Google Chat, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. Gmail will reload automatically to apply your new settings. Don't worry, this only takes a moment, and all your emails and existing settings remain intact. After the reload completes, look at the left sidebar of your Gmail interface. You'll now see a dedicated chat section alongside your usual mail folders. This is your new messaging hub within Gmail. To start chatting, click Start a Chat or look for the plus button in the chat section. A search field will appear, prompting you to enter contact information. Type the name or email address of the person you want to message. As you type, Gmail will suggest matching contacts. Select the person you want to chat with, and a chat window will open. In this chat window, you can send instant messages, share files, and even create group chats or spaces for team collaboration. Everything happens right within Gmail, streamlining your workflow and keeping your communication organized in one place. Thanks for watching.